Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we are going to unpackage our most recent eBay purchase. This one from the seller Jacobean. Looks like a fine seller, has a 100% positive feedback rating, and has a long history with eBay, having joined in October of 1998. This seller appears to sell other items other than just lighters, but they did have other lighters in their store, so this may be somebody that you want to check out, or someone that you find yourself purchasing from at a later time or desiring to purchase from. And that was a very sturdy cardboard box, and for the one lighter that should be in here, this is plenty of bubble wrap. No tape or anything, and that is just fine. It's not necessary. Like there's a Ziploc bag or a portion of a Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag that has been folded over. And here you get the first view of our most recent Penguin Cygnus Petrol lighter to add to our collection. Now, is that cool or what? This lighter is obviously not in perfect condition. Your typical scuffs, scratches, and general wear. Do see some soot from right there underneath the snuffer, and a good deal of soot, corrosion, and other buildup underneath the snuffer that we can clean up. I believe that this lighter was advertised as having a good spark, so we'll back this flint spring carriage out of here. That is not looking quite right. I'm going to take the screwdriver and just make sure that this flint spring assembly, the thumb screw here, is tightened down as it should be. And it was not. Okay. So now that we've got that tightened down, these are sometimes a little bit wonky in the way that they work, and I've had others that didn't really want to thread out of there as they should. This was loose, and it, even though those threads lean backward, it looked obviously loose to me when I went to thread that flint spring assembly out of there in the first place. So this may turn into a project on us here, this portion of it. But I am really excited to own this lighter, and just as excited as I was when I bought it, although when I bought it I was really excited to put this side to side with the other Penguin Cygnus lighter that I had with a dragon on it. The other one was just bare brass, and that's why I was wanting to compare them, because where that one was bare brass, I thought that this one was painted brass. Now I am not so sure that I get it up close and am looking at it with my bare eyes. Seems to be more than just a painted brass plate, but I could be wrong. But anyway, the one that was just bare brass, I had forgotten that I sold that a little over a month ago to a good friend of ours. So anyway, here is the companion piece, and I look forward to looking at it in a little bit greater detail, comparing it with the pictures of the other one. Wow, this is really just a fabulous piece of art on this lighter. This has a silver tone hobnail roller, the hobnail finish front and back, and then the panel. I'll have to look at exactly what the layout was on the other one. This one is marked Penguin, patent 36. Well, no, I think I'm probably wrong there. I think that says Penguin patent. Okay, yeah, it does have. It's really hard to see. I can't tell whether this is the patent number. Maybe I'll be able to see that better when I'm editing the video, but it's very hard for me to see right now with my naked eye. Penguin Pat on top. And down here, the patent number in Cygnus, but it's hard to see or make out. So we'll get some better pictures taken, or really just some pictures at all. But what a fabulous lighter. Really glad to own this one. And we will get this flint spring assembly out of there, get that all lined out, and make sure that we've got a good flint installed and that everything is working correctly before we spin that roller. But glad to add this one to the collection. I'm sure that this one will probably be sold sooner or later, but man, I'm going to have a hard time not keeping this one and admiring it for a little while at least. That is a really cool lighter, and glad to own it. Until next time.